I quickly want to have a look at Model Context Protocol, MCP. So maybe it's hard to get your head around the whole idea of a MCP server and a MCP client and how it all ties together. I think the best way to start is to create a MCP client. And OpenAI included this functionality within their console. And it's a no-code way of getting started with creating an MCP client. And once you've got your MPC client and you've integrated to a MCP host or server, then it really will make a lot of sense. Where is this going? So you've got TTS within the client, you've got assistant, real-time images. If I go to prompts, I've got no prompt presets there. I've selected the GPT 4.1 mini model. You can see there's my existing tool, DeepWiki. It's just the easiest one to get going with. I've asked a question, what's the difference between LangChain and LangGraph? And you can see how it outlines the actual response from the DeepWiki MCP server. So it gives me a breakdown of what the difference is. And you can see it's outlined here. And then I can delete or remove that MCP client. I can go back to add a MCP client, and here's where I can connect to I choose my MCP server. Again, I'll choose DeepWiki. I click on connect and it will establish the connection. I select read, structure, contents, and ask questions. There's no authentication currently, and I click add. And there you can see is my MCP client, which obviously connects to the MCP server. And I can ask questions that's related to this. Also in the article, I look at orchestration. So obviously you'll have an application with multiple MCP clients. So you need to orchestrate and tell the model to which client to go in which use case. If you go to the code, you can see there's the complete code. You can also see here at the bottom, you can see here sits my MCP client. It's defined here with server label, the URL, the different tools that's available. So please have a look at the article, and everything you need to get started will be in there.